What is a central battery system? Emergencies don't wait. That's why your building safety system must be ready to act instantly. Today, we are diving into a critical safety component, the central battery system or CBS, and how it interfaces with the fire and building monitoring system to ensure safety in emergencies. The central battery system is a centralized unit that powers emergency lights, alarms, and essential safety equipment when the main power supply fails. It ensures visibility during critical moments, helping occupants find their way to safety. In the AIE, it's mandatory that central battery systems are integrated with the fire alarm control unit for instant alerts during a fire, the building monitoring system for real-time status updates and diagnostics, computers for remote monitoring and system management. Under UAE civil defense regulations, CBS must meet strict standards. These include addressable and self-diagnostic systems, fire-rated wiring for 2-hour protection, clean agent fire suppression system in battery rooms for added safety. By integrating CBS with fire and monitoring systems, you get seamless operation during power failures, instantaneous activation of emergency lighting and alarms, real-time fault detection and system health updates. Imagine a school or commercial building during a fire. The CBS ensures all exit routes are lit, alarms are active, and emergency responders can monitor the situation in real time. Investing in a reliable and compliant central battery system is not just about ticking boxes. It's about saving lives. Protect your property and people in it with systems that meet UAE's highest safety standards.